Hey guys, this is Funlo on Pagama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Monday. Nomusa finally and sadly relents to sell Imsam after the disaster. Tando is furious when she realized that what Mbali did and they have a heated confrontations. Maharati managed to blackmail Nogzola to ask for a favor to get him banned. Tuesday, Poppy blames Nomusa for the blacklight. Narobi told Tando to follow the rule from a certain book in order to get her man with her dignity intense. Zagiti get a stranger warning from one of her border member. Wednesday. A known criminal Salemia is released on bail and they meet with Maharaj. The Bengu negotiate inhlawulo for Sbongile. Thursday. Tusheleni worries that he'll have to evict his friend if they don't get job. He is relieved when he gets a call from the business consult who tell him that they have a potential buyer. Zagiti learns the truth behind Maluju Angel investor. It is none other than San Maharaj. Friday. Tusheleni and Nomsa are intrigued by Figile return. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.